Pacific and passed aboard an aircraft, connected through the good vibes, sunshine and good fashionable living. With my mindset, my grind set on Beastie Boy, the continent down under the stairs. Rolled down, took a couple flights and got acquainted. Seen a picture painted with pretty women and big fun. Far away from Los Angeles, not worried about no gun. The aboriginal one snuck down from the gritty of the city, land on the Gold Coast. We work the way, we funk smuggling, trolling up the good scenery, living a wild life, one coast to another. Everyone you meet here, they like your sister or your brother. I'm chucking up a pint for the night. See the sound man's cool and my mic sounds right. Take a trip to the A's with my people and rock the house party. I'm here to make history, we get the girls naughty. So yeah, I'm the Wizard of Oz, chillin' and Lord willing to spend the rest of my life here. Walk away from cheers and look back to see my family, just to arrive back and see these folks standing me. Shouts to my Kiwis, the whole southern hemisphere. LAX can wait, yo mate, I'll take another beer. I'm the Wizard of Oz, chillin' and Lord willing I spend the rest of my life here.
So let me roll you around to the Cooper's beer, and let me roll you around to the Cooper's beer. It's like
I'm the Wizard of Oz, chillin' and Lord willing I spend the rest of my life here.
so let me roll you around to the Cooper's beer, and let me roll you around to the Cooper's beer.
It's about you and me, how we've come a long way. That's right.
I never felt like a stranger when I was here, so let me roll you around to the Cooper's beer. Adelaide, Perth, and Melbourne, Brizzy and Sin City, the land of the fair. Go, yo, I'm home. Did you miss me? You're too fly. I take a trip from Coochie to Bondi with that beer in the Esky, St. Kilda, the SB. On the balcony, chillin', watch the bay where they jet ski. Thinking she'll be right, getting on the mic if they let me. Come on back. We eat the fast Eddies, not the Hungry Jacks. Swimming with the